Hi, boys and girls. This here is an example of what your invention throughout the week should have looked like or will look like by tomorrow, Friday. Miriam was very generous in letting me actually share this with you all. She actually wrote down very specific details, which is pretty much what she submitted throughout the week, telling me what her invention is, how it works, and how it would help. And she drew a picture of it. Pretty easy, guys. Just take it easy. Put everything that you've done throughout the week together, and that's pretty much it. Also, I don't have a picture of it, but Taman actually came up with an app. So we all have phones. Some of us have the smart watches. We have smart TVs. We have computers. What is an app that you could develop that would actually help us as well? That is another great idea that he came up with.